Everything that we're doing in the audio space is about loving the music you listen to. The realism, the experience of the sound is very close to what you'd experience personally being there with a musician. This is the first time that this level of sound quality has been achieved in wireless headphones.
Drop is a community-driven brand. When it comes to product design, we design products for the enthusiasts with thoughts and feedback and designs from the enthusiast community.
We started this project after seeing thousands of discussions in the audiophile community asking for a wireless audiophile system. Through the combination of the Drop planar ribbon driver, the THX AAA amplifier technology, and the Sony LDAC wireless codec, we've reached that full wireless audiophile system for the first time. The Drop planar ribbon driver delivers a sense of realism that's unique. By having this dual-sided magnetic structure with this really rigid diaphragm, we're able to deliver sound that is phase correct, unlike virtually any other headphone driver that exists. For decades, THX has championed the cause of high-quality audio, so when they showed us the AAA technology in 2017, we were incredibly excited.
The Drop Plus THX is the first headphone to actually incorporate AAA technology. It introduces very little of its own noise and distortion to the signal. The sounds seem to emerge from the inky blackness. It's a really surreal experience. As with everything we do at THX, we look at the product at a holistic level. So the Drop Plus THX Panda performed incredibly well. We're talking about fidelity that's unheard of in a mobile product.
Through the existence of these technologies, we're able to create a level of music enjoyment that just doesn't exist in wireless headphones today.
I was pretty blown away. It was very impressive.
I was shocked at how good they were wirelessly, and I mean, you give up nothing to run them passively. They sound great.
I've never heard my own music so clear before.
I was listening to Santana, a little bit of Gary Clark Jr. It sounds so natural, and there's so much power to it, and I'm blown away. I didn't want to take them off.
For me and for everybody at Drop, the best feeling possible is when you can take something that's so true to enthusiasts and bring that to a much wider audience. This headphone incorporates all the feedback we've gotten from all of the audiophile products that we've created over the years and puts it all into one headphone.
This is the story of how VEZO changed my life. 5:02 a.m., I wake up to get ready for work. Tailored shirt, timeless, classic. Coffee. A gift from my lover. VEZO 360 Smart Dashcam. Beautiful design, intelligent features, a refined innovation for car security. 6:13 a.m., I head out to install my VEZO 360. The specially designed mount supports all types of cars, and the strong magnetic attachment makes it effortless to install. My new life with VEZO begins now. Oh no. It was clearly this idiot's fault, and I can prove it. VEZO's 360 camera system captures all around my car without any blind spots. Using the dedicated app, I can wirelessly transfer videos to my phone, and the 4K HD video shows everything in crystal clear detail. It's an open and shut case. 1:26 p.m. I believe in working hard in order to... Someone just hit my parked car, and she just drove away. A classic hit and run. But VEZO automatically detects accidents even when my car is off, and the low-power sensors do not drain the car's battery. With its 4G capability, I'm notified immediately by receiving a video clip to my phone. I've got all the proof I need for an insurance claim. 6:21 p.m. It's been a long day and I feel quite sleepy. Thankfully, VEZO's sleep detection feature uses facial recognition to alert a drowsy driver. That was close. VEZO, you saved my life. 11:16 p.m. I'm finally back home. As a crime deterrent, VEZO's bright LED light remains on at all times. This lets others know that VEZO is watching. Looks like I'm in safe hands. 9:46 a.m. I go on a road trip with my best friends. Why don't I capture this spontaneous moment? With just a single press of a button, I can take a selfie in the car as well as the outside landscape, all in one seamless 360 image or video. With the dedicated internal battery, I can even take VEZO outside to use it just like a regular 360 camera. An unforgettable memory captured in a gorgeous 360-degree image. And I can quickly share my photos and videos to social media directly from the VEZO app. My life is now fully protected, all thanks to my VEZO 360 Smart Dashcam. Thank you, VEZO.
Are you a daily commuter or a frequent traveler? Are you seeking a new way to get around in the city with more powerful, highly mobile, and portable magic? SDREAM is back. It is yours. SDREAM UR is the smoothest folding e-bike for urban exploration. It's fast. It's lightweight. It's foldable. It's unprecedented comfy with patented suspension, providing a smooth riding experience through the crowded city hassle-free. We use advanced magnesium alloy materials to create a futuristic streamlined frame. Magnesium alloys are lighter than aluminum alloys and are more durable and environmentally friendly than carbon fibers. It also greatly reduces the toxic gases and waste liquids produced during the production of carbon fiber. Realize the ultimate pursuit of green travel. The comfort of riding SDREAM UR is absolutely unprecedented. The unique patented rear suspension makes you addicted to riding, and you don't feel tired even if you ride for a long time. Durability is 3 times higher than traditional hydraulic components. SDREAM UR is fast and powerful. It provides 5-level electric assist mode to customize your cycling and to strengthen your pedaling. You may also use twist throttle to go full electric riding. Release your feet. Fast riding has never been so easy. SDREAM UR is so compact that you can carry it anywhere, indoors, upstairs, onto the metro, into office, and your car. The unique powerful magnet suction and bottom roller design so it can walk with you easily. The batteries are hidden in the seat post, the magic mini space for efficient capacity. It can be easily removed for charging or storage. Now, the smoothest folding e-bike is coming. Can't wait to own the joy of urban exploration? Back us on Indiegogo. It is yours.
Introducing HyperJuice, the world's smallest 100-watt charger that is 50% smaller than traditional chargers. With 2 USB-C and 2 USB-A ports. To quick charge your smartphone, laptop, tablet, and mobile device, all at the same time. With 100-watt dual USB-C power delivery, a single HyperJuice charger can power 2 laptops simultaneously. HyperJuice is about the size of a pack of cards, so it can easily fit in any pocket. Featuring built-in foldable wall plugs, so you don't need to mess with bulky cables. There are also pin converters to work in almost every country, so it's travel friendly. The secret to HyperJuice lies in gallium nitride, a new semiconductor material that enables chargers to be smaller and more efficient. HyperJuice, the world's smallest 100-watt charger.